In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the merciful.
Did you know you are connected with magnets in your daily life? Speaker found in mobile phone, tablets, computers. Inside a simple coil wire and magnets convert electrical signal into sound. In medical field, MRI, magnet is powerful magnets which can easily see the clear picture of bones, tissues and organs. The black strip of your credit card may store data. Vacuum cleaner, washing machine, blenders, all electronic components working by the principle of magnetic principle.
Introduction to magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are materials studied and used mainly for their magnetic properties. The magnetic response of a material is largely determined by the magnetic dipole moment associated with the intrinsic angular momentum or spin of its electron. A material's response to an applied magnetic field can be characterized as diamagnetic, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, or antiferromagnetic. Magnetic materials play an important role in the advancement of industrial and scientific growth. They are invariably used in power generation and transmission, electronic appliances, analog and digital data storage, medical appliances like magnetic MRI, magnetic therapy, and drug delivery, sensor and actuator, scientific instrument. Magnet is a material or object that produces a magnetic field. This magnetic field is invisible but is responsible for the most notable property of a magnet, a force that pulls on other ferromagnetic materials such as iron and attract or repel other magnets. Types of magnetic material: paramagnetic, the material which are strongly attracted to magnet; ferromagnetic, the material which are strongly attracted by a magnetic field or magnet; antiferromagnetic, the magnetic moment of atoms or molecules usually related to the spins of electrons align in a regular pattern with neighboring spins pointing in opposite direction. Ferrimagnetic, the material in which that has population of atom with opposing magnetic moment. Diamagnetic, the materials which are repelled by a magnet. Magnetic moment: the magnetic moment is the magnetic strength and orientation of a magnet or other object that produces a magnetic field. Magnetic dipole moment: the component of a magnetic component that can be represented by an equivalence magnetic dipole, a magnetic north and south pole separated by a very small distance. The Bohr magneton: it is worth performing by a quick calculation to estimate the size of atomic magnetic moment and thus deduce the size of gyromagnetic ratio. This is the convenient unit for describing the size of atomic magnetic moment. And this is the equation where we can prove the electron in the hydrogen atom orbiting with velocity v around the nucleus, which consists of a single proton. Angular momentum: angular momentum, rarely momentum or rotational momentum, is the rotational equivalent of linear momentum. It is an important quantity in physics because it is a conserved quantity. The total angular momentum of a closed system remains constant. Magnetic field: a magnetic field is a vector field, more precisely a pseudo-vector field that describes the magnetic influence of electric charges in relative motion and magnetized material. A charge that is moving parallel to a current of other charges experiences a force perpendicular to its own velocity. Magnetic fields are also produced by moving electric charges and the intrinsic magnetic moment of elementary particles associated with the fundamental property their spin. Magnetization or magnetic polarization is the vector field that expresses the density of a permanent or induced magnetic dipole moment in a magnetic material. The origin of the magnetic moment responsible for the magnetization can either be microscopic electric current resulting from the motion of electrons in atoms or the spin of the electrons or the nuclei. Net magnetization result for the response of a material to an external magnetic field. The magnetization M is defined as the magnetic moment per unit volume. M can be considered to be a smooth vector field continuous everywhere except at the edges of a magnetic solid. In free space vacuum there is no magnetization. The magnetic field can be described by a vector field B and H which are linearly related by the B, and B is measured in Tesla and H. Paramagnetism is a weak form of magnetism whereby some materials are weakly attracted by an externally applied magnetic field and form internal induced magnetic field in the direction of the applied magnetic field. Due to their spin, unpaired electrons have a magnetic dipole moment and act like tiny magnets. Diamagnetic is a quantum mechanical effect that occurs in all material. When it is the only contribution to the magnetism, the material is called diamagnetic. Diamagnetic material are repelled by a magnetic field. An applied magnetic field creates an induced magnetic field in them in the opposite direction, causing a repulsive force. In contrast, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic materials are attracted by a magnetic field. Diamagnetic materials are those that some generally think of as non-magnetic and include water, wood, most organic compounds such as petroleum and some plastics and many metals including copper, particularly the heavy ones with many core electrons such as mercury, gold and bismuth. Environment. The effect of the local environment due to the crystal on the energy level of an atom. It is a necessity to first review the shapes of the atomic orbital. Only s orbital are spherically symmetric and the other have a pronounced angular dependence. Environmental magnetism is the comparatively new discipline applied in Greece only during the last decade for the study of anthropogenic pollution. The rationale of the method is based on the property of iron oxide and sulfides to attract the absorb heavy metal, organic contaminants and even radioactive pollutants. Thus, the measurement of the magnetic susceptibility both in STIU and in the laboratory, along with several other magnetic parameters, consists a rapid and cost-effective technique for characterization and mapping spatial population distribution. Environmental magnetism is the study of magnetism as it relates to the effect of climate, sediment, transport, pollution, and other environmental influences on magnetic minerals. It makes use technique from rock magnetism and magnetic mineralogy. Crystal field theory. Crystal field theory describes the breaking of degeneracies of electron orbital states, usually d or f electron, due to static electric field produced by a surrounding charge distribution. Successfully account for some magnetic properties, color, hydration, and enthalpies and spinal structure of transition metal complexes, but it does not attempt to describe bonding. If the crystal field energy is lower than the pairing energy known as the weak field case, then as the electrons are added to the system, then they will first signally occupy each orbital before any orbital becomes doubly occupied. John Taylor effect. The John Taylor theorem essentially states that any nonlinear molecule with a spatially degenerate electronic ground state will undergo a geometrical distortion that removes that degeneracy because the distortion lowers the overall energy of the species. Spontaneous symmetry breaking in molecular and solid state system, which has far reaching consequences in different fields and is responsible for a variety of phenomena in spectroscopy, stereochemistry, crystal chemistry, molecular and solid state physics, and material science. And techniques to study environments: magnetic resonance, NMR, ESR, Morse Bohr spectroscopy, muon spin rotation.